Hi, whoever's watching this, welcome. I'm going to show you now how to do a couple of the examples from the study guide. Right now we're going to do number 1 and 2. So to see how to do this, all we have to do is find what chemicals I'm talking about and put them into a correct and balanced equation. So for the first one, don't forget your Brinkelhoff. That's bromine, iodine, nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. All of those are diatomic atoms, so if you ever see them on their own, you need to make sure that they are doubled. Same thing, oxygen's a member of Brinkelhoff, so we need to have him as a double, not a solo. They're going to combine together and yield, don't forget your prefixes and what they stand for. Dinitrogen means you have 2. Trioxide means it is 3 oxygens. So now we have to take a look and see how we're doing balance wise. Well, my nitrogens, I've got 2, that's good, but my oxygens are out of balance. Now there's no way I'm going to be able to get 3 out of an oxygen that only has 2. Every time I double that, I'm going to get multiples of 2, so let's go ahead and double this one. Now I can use a 3, and that's 3 times 2 is 6 oxygens, 2 times 3 is 6 oxygens. I've got 4 nitrogens now, so I can just put a 2 there, 4, 6, 4, and 6, and we are balanced. The next one uses a transition metal which has a Roman numeral. Don't forget that stands for the charge of that metal. So iron, don't forget that. So I'm going to put a little +3 over there so we know that one is charged. When it bonds with something, it's going to have a charge of +3. I'm going to add that with sodium phosphorus. So sodium has a charge of +1. Phosphorus has a charge of -3. I know this because I either looked at my periodic table or that oxidization table that you can use on your final. Now, in order for these to make a bond, their charges need to match up. I need 3 sodiums to get to a charge of +3 to balance out that -3. Now I know that this side is correct. When they combine, they're going to be making iron plus phosphorus. Now I just had over here to remind me that iron's charge is a +3. Phosphorus was a -3, so I don't even need to do anything to these. They're already bonded correctly. Sodium is not a member of Brinkelhoff, so I don't have to worry about using anything other than sodium for that. Now I just check to see that my numbers are balanced, and I have 1 iron, 1 phosphorus, but I have 3 sodiums right here and only 1 sodium over here. If I put a 3 over here, we got 3 sodiums, and we are balanced.